Hello everyone, welcome back to Gyan Kendra, and in this video we will be talking about the revolutions from 1830 to 1848. So in this video, this is the second part of our series of nationalism in Europe, the rise of nationalism in Europe, the first chapter of history. So in this video we will be talking about the upheavals in France and the independence of Greece. So as we have learned in the previous video that Napoleon was defeated in 1815 at Waterloo by the Central Powers Britain, Austria, Prussia and Russia. When these four powerful nations at that time defeated France, Napoleon, they set up conservative regimes, and in these regimes they repressed the new revolutions and the idea of nationalism. So the nationalism started to be associated with revolutions, and these revolutions were carried out by the middle class elite, educated middle class elite, and the educated middle class included the professors, school teachers, students, lawyers, businessmen, etc. So the first upheaval took place in France in July 1830. So what happened is that when Napoleon was defeated, the Bourbon king, who was thrown out of the throne of the France, was regained to power. The Bourbon family was regained to power, but in July 1830, this king was also thrown, and Louis Philippe was became the head of France, working under the constitution. So his powers were limited and limited by the constitution, and he did not exercise absolute power over France. So this July Revolution of France also started an uprising in Brussels. Brussels is the capital city of Belgium. So this resulted in Belgium setting free from the Kingdom of Netherlands. Another major event which was because of this July Revolution was the independence of Greece. So this July Revolution of 1830 also set up an uprising in Greece and the revolutionaries of Greece. So Greece had been a part of the Ottoman Empire from the 15th century, and the people of Greece respected the ancient Greek culture and wanted that they become independent. So the people from in exile, the Greek people from exile and other European countries supported that Greeks should be independent from the Ottoman Empire. And then what happened was that an English poet called Lord Byron collected some funds for this for the independence war of Greece, and he went to war. After collecting funds, he went to war and died out of fever in 1824. And in 1832, the Treaty of Constantinople was signed, which finally recognized Greece as an independent nation. So thank you for watching this video. This was all for this part. In the next part, we will be talking about the cultural ways for revolutions, the cultural ways of nationalism, hunger and hardship, and the 1848 revolution of liberals.